ability to keep the data in a consistent, in an integrated fashion with the rest of your data. So this is where these tools come into play. Okay? So I'm not going to go into what are the benefits of each. This is not the scope of this demo, but to just enlighten you that we have thought about these and it is very suitable for very large data sets, including open data.
Just to point out, you mentioned that the analytics stuff is coming, so you see where it says IBM data. That means that we're just sort of introducing that, and in this sort of mode of we want to get feedback, we put the things out of data, let people play with them, collect their feedback. So a lot of the sort of big data analytics stuff is currently available for feedback. So if we want to do some experiments with the analytics and some of the open data, we can even provide feedback to that service as we're doing it.
And lastly, basically, you see the security. I'm not going to go into the business analytics and other things. Security is an important element in your data. Not only security, this open app scan dynamic analysis allow you to figure out which are personal and sensitive information in your data. This is very, very important. Not just collecting the information, but having an automated means to analyze and see whether some social security number, phone numbers, and other numbers are part of your data. So you can block that from being shared. This is a very important element in open data processing. Then there are Internet of Things, some DevOps, which I just showed is where you can pull the US government's open data code samples into this environment. So this is a very quick review. I don't want to take any more of your time. What I'm going to let's